Hello, good day everyone. My name is Dan and we are back. We are back here in our YouTube channel. I have a presentation for all of you. One moment, please. Let me go ahead and check it here on our end. Let us check our presentation. Here's our presentation. Share. Present. Ludwig Wittgenstein, 1889 to 1951, pioneer of analytic philosophy. Major works include Tractatus Logico-Philosophicus and Philosophical Investigations. Ludwig Wittgenstein, 1889 to 1951, biography. Early life, 1889 to 1908. Ludwig Joseph Johann Wittgenstein was born on April 26, 1889, in Vienna, Austria, into one of Europe's wealthiest and most culturally influential families. His father, Karl Wittgenstein, was a major industrialist, and his home was a gathering place for prominent artists and intellectuals, including Brahms, Mahler, and Klimt. Despite the cultural richness, Wittgenstein's childhood was marked by intense family pressures and personal struggles. Three of his brothers died by suicide. Originally interested in engineering, he studied mechanical engineering in Berlin and later aeronautical engineering in Manchester, England. It was here that his interest in the foundations of mathematics and logic took root. Cambridge and the Early Philosophy, 1908 to 1914. Wittgenstein was captivated by the works of Frege and Russell, and went to study under Bertrand Russell at Trinity College, Cambridge in 1911. Russell quickly recognized Wittgenstein's brilliance, even claiming Wittgenstein would surpass him. During these years, Wittgenstein developed the ideas that would become the basis of the Tractatus Logico-Philosophicus. World War I and the Tractatus 1914 to 1921. With the start of World War I, Wittgenstein volunteered for service in the Austro-Hungarian army. He served on the front lines, often in dangerous conditions. During moments of intense solitude, he continued writing what would become the Tractatus Logico-Philosophicus. Completed in 1918 and published in 1921, it put forward the idea that the structure of language mirrors the structure of reality. The book concluded with the famous proposition, whereof one cannot speak, thereof one must be silent. The work was hugely influential, shaping early logical positivism and analytical philosophy. After publishing the Tractatus, Wittgenstein believed he had solved all philosophical problems and left academic life. Years outside philosophy, 1920s. Wittgenstein gave away much of his inherited fortune to friends and relatives. Convinced that wealth corrupted the soul, he worked as an elementary school teacher in rural Austria, a gardener's assistant in a monastery, and an architect. He co-designed his sister's modernist house in Vienna. These years were marked by personal hardship and philosophical uncertainty. Returned to Cambridge and later philosophy, 1929 to 1947. In 1929, encouraged by friends such as Frank Ramsey, Wittgenstein returned to Cambridge to resume philosophy. He became a professor in 1939. His later philosophy broke sharply from the Tractatus. In Philosophical Investigations, published posthumously, he argued that meaning arises from the use of language in everyday language games. This shift launched ordinary language philosophy and influenced fields from linguistics to cognitive science. Wittgenstein was known for his intense personality, unconventional teaching, and eccentric lifestyle, often pacing rooms, demanding deep thought, or seeking solitude for long periods. Final years and death, 1947 to 1951. Wittgenstein resigned from his professorship to focus entirely on writing. He spent time in Ireland, Norway, and the US working on manuscripts that would be published after his death. He died of prostate cancer on April 29, 1951, in Cambridge. His reported final words were, "Tell them I've had a wonderful life." Final years and death, 1947 to 1951. Key contributions. 1. Picture theory of language. From the Tractatus Propositions Picture Facts. Number 2. Language, games, and meaning as use. From Philosophical Investigations. Meaning arises from public, social context of language use. Number 3, rule, following and private language arguments revolutionize epistemology, mind, and linguistics. Recommended scholarly resources, primary works, Tractatus Logico-Philosophicus, Philosophical Investigations, Remarks on the Foundations of Mathematics, Uncertainty, Culture and Value, Biographies, Ray Monk, Ludwig Wittgenstein, The Duty of Genius, considered the best full biography, Brian McGuinness, Wittgenstein, A Life, Volume 1, Young Ludwig, Norman Malcolm, Ludwig Wittgenstein, a memoir, first-person account, secondary literature, Marie MacJean Wittgenstein and the Philosophical Investigations, James Conant and Cora Diamond, Writings on the Resolute Reading of the Tractatus, Hans Johann Gluck, A Wittgenstein Dictionary, excellent reference. These are the references. Thank you for your nice attention. Have a good rest of your day.